Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Chisumibi, and in this video I'll be showing you how to get a free $1,000 prop firm account that you can use to trade. Yes, it's not a competition account, neither is it a trial account, but it's a real prop firm account. Yes, so follow me as I show you all the steps that you will need to get the free 1K prop firm account. So if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. So let's go as I show you how to claim the free $1,000 prop firm account.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so for you to get the link, or for you to get access to the link, you go to my description below. So once you go to the description below, then it's going to bring you right here where you're going to see link to sign up, or you can see get the bonus here, or claim the bonus here, or click on the link right here. So once you just see it, you're going to click on the link that you see there. Okay, so once you click on the link, it's going to take you to my Telegram channel. Yeah, it's going to take you to my Telegram channel. So that is where you're going to get the link. Can you see it right here? So that is where you're going to get the link to the video, the link to get the bonus. All right. Yes, so make sure you join my Telegram community or my Telegram channel right here for you to get more updates. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to register. So we're going to select our country, then input our email, then a code will be sent to our email. We're going to input it, then set the password, our phone number, then we'll click on register. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I've gotten the code, so I'm just going to copy it, then paste it right here. Okay, so I've registered. This is what the site looks like. Okay, so you can see the free $1,000 funded account. Okay, and you can see the account size that we have right here. We're going to be going for the V Pro. You can see the leverage. You can see the step 1 challenge phase. You can see the step 2 evaluation phase, and they are all free. As you can see it, they are all free, as you can see it right here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on challenge now. Yes, so you can see it. We have the account type, we have the V basic, and the leverage is 1:100, and we have the V Pro, the leverage is 1:30, and this is our account balance right here, as you can see it. And we also have the terms and conditions right here. Yes, I'm going to talk about that later. We're going to go through it later. Okay, so the account type, we're going to be going for the V Pro. Okay, so for the V Pro, you can hold trades overnight and over the weekend, and you can also trade during the news release. Yes, and the leverage on the V Pro account type is 1:30. So that's for V Pro. So we're just going to scroll down. So once we scroll down and we click on this, then it's going to bring this. So they're asking us to finish our KYC first. Yes, so we're going to click on it, then input our details, as you can see it right here. So let's do that, and we are also going to be verifying our documents. Yes, so we're making use of our ID card. So let's do that. Okay, so my KYC has been approved. As you can see it right here, the verification won't take more than 2 minutes. Okay, so we're going to go back to the dashboard and scroll down. Yes, so once you scroll down, you're going to see that your account has been purchased. Okay, as you can see it. So it means that we are getting this account for free. We're not paying. Okay, so once you click on details, you're going to see more details about the bonus, as you can see it right here. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is to click on credentials. Yes, so once you click on credentials, you're going to be getting your account details, that's your login details. We're going to be making use of MT5. So once we go to MT5, you impute the name of the broker, which is Vepsin Limited. Then you impute the login ID and your password. So we're going to copy the password and paste. Okay, so after doing that, we're just going to click on login. Yes, so as you can see, I've gotten it already, the $1,000 prop firm account. Yes, this is it right here. So concerning the terms and conditions, it will be sent to your email. So once you click on the free account terms right here, as you can see it, so it's going to bring out the terms and conditions, which you can see right here. So we have the promotion overview, we have the eligibility, so we have the device and IP policy, we have the challenge period. The account is valid for 30 calendar days, as you can see it right here. Then we also have the withdrawal rules. Okay, so withdrawals can only be made once, and the maximum withdrawal amount is $20, as you can see it. Then we have the general terms and conditions. KYC is mandatory, and the account size for this promotion is $1,000. So just make sure you go through it and go and claim yours right now. Thank you.